You've been lied to. Confidence doesn't come from success. It comes from something way smaller and way more powerful. Here are 5 tiny habits that build massive self-confidence, even when you feel stuck, unsure, or invisible. Number 1, after your morning coffee, say one thing you're grateful for. Not later, not in your head. Say it out loud. Gratitude rewires your brain, and a grateful mind walks taller. Number 2, trigger joy on purpose. Smile at a stranger. Text a kind word. Look at the sky. These micro joys train your brain to see the light, even on dark days. Number 3, create fast wins through micro efficiency. Make the bed, hang your jacket, clean one corner of your space. Each small action tells your mind, I lead, I finish, I win. Number 4, use digital reminders to reprogram your thoughts. Set your phone to say, you're already enough. You've survived 100% of your worst days. You're not stuck, you're building. Confidence grows when your environment speaks life. Number 5, break one personal record a week. One more push-up. One more sentence written. One more fear faced. Because growth doesn't come from perfection, it comes from momentum. Here's the truth. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a practice, and it starts with one tiny choice, made every single day. So if this hit you hard, don't scroll, don't wait, subscribe now, and keep building a life you're proud of.